To know how to make $900 in just 3 hours? Keep watching and I'll show you. Head on over to textbroker.com, which will pay you for typing. Click on I write content and then payment. And as you can see, they will pay you $495 to type 9,000 words. As you can see, the average person speaks 150 words per minute. So that means that this should only take you about 1 hour. Now for this trick that's going to make this super simple, head on over to Google Docs, click on Tools, and then click on Voice Typing. Now once you hit a record, it will start typing out every single word that you say. With just 2 hours of work, you can make $990. And with hour number 3, head on over to Grammarly.com to get all of your mistakes corrected. Don't forget to save this video and be sure to follow along for more side hustles and making money online. And if you want to learn more about how me and my students are making upwards of $522 a day just leveraging a